Hello student, we are going to discuss about the thief and his mother, class 5, chapter 1, summary of this lesson. Now, so let's start. Please understand this, what is in story. So let's start. A boy stole a lesson book from one of his school fellow and took it home to his mother. She not only abstained from beating him but encouraged him. He next time stole a clock and brought it to her, and she again commanded him. The youth advanced to adulthood, proceeded to steal things of still greater values. Now, at last, he was caught in the very act, and having his hands bound behind him, was led away to the place of public execution. His mother followed in the crowd and violently beat her breast in sorrow. Whereupon the young man said, "I wish to say something to my mother in her ear." She came close to him and he quickly seized now her ear with his teeth and beat it off. The mother upbraided him as an unnatural child, whereon he replied, if you had beaten me when I first stole and brought to you that lesson book, I should not have come to his nor have been thus led to a disgraceful death. So student, you get this story's moral value. Don't steal anything of others. Okay, thank you. Now going to see the different meaning of this chapter. Spanking, series of sharp slaps. Insisting, firmly demanding. Encouraged, supported. Commanded, praised. Develop, grew. Flogged, beaten. Mallet, a wooden hammer. Now, executed, put on death. Sobbing, weeping with short gasp. Scab, get free. Handcuff, put handcuffs on. Accomplice, on who helps another to break the law. Touching, that makes one feel pity. Now, probably, without a doubt. Spat, force out saliva from the mouth. Disgrace, shame. Criminal record, a record having to do with serious wrongdoing that is against the law. Now this is the last meaning of this chapter. Trial, the act of hearing a case in a law court to decide if a charge against someone is true. Thank you.